If your New Year goal is for 1,000 or more subscribers, then you came to the right video. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Brad.
And I'm Nikki. What's up?
Until you have 100,000 subs, I would say stick to shorter videos without fluff that will get you a higher retention rate. Today, people have the attention span of a fruit fly. As you start your YouTube journey, focus on quick 3 or 4 minute videos. Then as time goes by, monitor your retention in your analytics and go for the more detailed videos. Some people are looking for a rapid solution to solve a problem or quick entertainment to pass time. The truth is, when you're first starting out, you are the new kid on the block and most users will not give you the time of day. But as you start building your brand and your audience, you will gain more and more loyal followers who will slowly begin watching your videos in full. At first, people are watching for content, and then eventually, once your subs begin falling in love with your work, they will watch for you. Since audience retention is relative to your competition, a good number to shoot for is 33% or more.
How does this get me more subs?
You will please the algorithm gods when they find out people are watching your videos for a longer period of time than your competition. In turn, YouTube will promote your videos to other users in search and suggested, which can earn you more views, which will then turn into more subscribers. I've got a top secret way to finally increase your click-through rate.
What's a click-through rate and why should I care?
The click-through rate is the percentage of times people click on your thumbnail, which is the video's mini movie poster. Most of the top performing thumbnails across the platform has a lot of human emotions. Some things that we can implement is 2 or 3 faces with exaggerated human emotion, like a ridiculous amount of happiness or a massive surprise face. I have been experiencing higher than normal CTR with the colors red, green, and yellow in my thumbnails. But at the very least, use red, which is supposed to grab people's attention when presented with other options in search and suggested. A good click-through rate is between 5 and 15%.
How does this even grow my channel?
The more people click in on your mini movie poster and watching for a longer period of time will tell the algorithm loud and clear that you post high quality content, and in turn, YouTube will reward you with more traffic, which will turn into more subs and views. It is always a good idea to periodically make sure that your videos are appearing in search. Search for the exact title of your video, scroll down and click on the thumbnail, then watch your video in full.
I see what you did.
No, nothing like that. The reason I am sharing this is because often YouTubers do the first part to make sure that their videos are still appearing in search. Click on it and then forget to watch in full. Even if you are signed into your creator's account, this still counts as a view, and you would be sabotaging your own audience retention by not watching your video all the way through. Post the same day and time of the week every week. I know for some the time commitment is easier said than done, but you really have to work extra hard to make this happen.
I post when I feel like it.
There is some sort of unwritten contract between creators and YouTube that we post videos on the same time each week. Like a TV series, mess up on your deadlines and you are out of business. At a bare minimum, uploading at least once a week should be enough to keep your audience engaged, and they do look forward to seeing you each week. You can comment on other YouTubers' videos to earn more subscribers. Learn what to do and, more importantly, what not to do. Click the card on your screen now or look for the link in the description to continue to this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and find me on IG. I love you and stay safe.